morning, sir. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Ida Kristianti. I come from Karawang, West Java of Indonesia. I was born in Karawang on 14th of January 1994. I am 31 years old. I am married. I have one son, 8 years old. I have two brothers. I am number one in my family. My religion is Muslim. My height is 146 cm. My weight is 75 kg. My last education junior high school. I have experience working before in Dubai for 2 years, since 2021 until 2023. My job in Dubai, take care of children, cooking simple Arabian food and do general housework. I can cook Indonesian food like fried rice, fried chicken, cakangkung and chicken soup. I never cook Chinese food, but I want to learn Chinese cooking. I can take care of baby or children. I can handle cut and cook pork, but I cannot eat pork because I am Muslim. I can take care of elderly person. I am not afraid of dog. I promise to finish my contract for 2 years. I want to work in Singapore because I want to earn money for my family and my future. My interview is finished. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I hope see you soon in Singapore. Bye-bye.